Joining us today is Sean Hervo, co-founder and CEO of PrePad.
Where we get started and how people use PrePad is, okay, well, we're simulating the kind of manufacturing operation, helping you do scenario analysis really quickly. And then what we'll do is we'll link it with your understanding of how the weld production may change. We could also then show you, well, how much you'd be willing to lose or gain depending on if you're costing more money for design or if you're saving money. We can look at it that way too. So that's really what we do, is we kind of try to tie in the best understanding and put it in one platform.
But having a completions data set that's easy to consume and digest and understand, right? And that is very powerful for customers, but also partners and other vendors that build on top of or can build on top of the data set that we provide.
When things go wrong, it's always like 4 a.m. on a Saturday. And these last two stages were super tight. And should we drop some sand we're trying to put in there? Should we add more perforations? And it's like, do a quick simulation in PrePad and understand, what's going to be the impact? Call, let's say, the boss or somebody else and get the blessing to go forward with it and just have the information.
Already in North America, it's closing in on like 5 to 10% of the grid consumption is going to those data centers.
And there's a race though too between, like you said, in North America, it's like we were hearing about it and seeing it because we're also, especially the US, is trying to become the dominant player and win this
race.
Arms race for AI.
And the fastest way to make sure that you secure your position today is to power it with natural gas, because that's so plentiful on the continent.
Which is awesome for
our industry.
Yeah.